Hi friends, my name is Daejah McCormick and I'm the sous chef here at Methodist Theological School in Ohio. We are home to Seminary Hill Farm, and today I will be showing you how to make a recipe based on the items in your CSA share. MTSO is a graduate school. It is our mission to provide theological education and leadership in pursuit of a just, sustainable, and generative world. Our campus covers 80 acres on Route 23 in Delaware, where the indigenous people Hopewell, Maiamia, and Kakaskia once lived. So today we're going to be focusing on our broccoli and mixed green salad. I like the salad for multiple reasons. It requires no cooking, so you don't lose any of the nutrients in the cooking process. You could think of it as a healthier version of the broccoli salad you would find in your local deli. It usually includes cheddar cheese, the craisins, sunflower seeds, and a mayonnaise-based dressing. But here we're just doing some apple cider vinegar and oil. And this also includes a bunch of cruciferous vegetables. I know the broccoli and arugula are high in vitamin K, which helps in the blood clotting process, and the broccoli and spinach are high in folic acid, and you'll see folic acid more targeted at pregnant women because it aids in maintaining your cells and renewing them, and folic acid thus helps in the pregnancy process when you're creating a new life. So this is what our finished product is going to look like. Now let's get started. And I'm not sure about you all, but as a child, I could not stand the taste or smell of cooked broccoli. And this may be news to you or a reminder, but vegetables, specifically broccoli, have sulfur compounds which are released during the cooking process. So I could only stand broccoli when it was smothered in cheese. Now, if I haven't sold you on this salad yet, I'm sure the next clip will. So we're gonna start with our broccoli. And broccoli isn't necessarily bitter, but it definitely has an earthy taste. And we're just gonna add that to our bowl. So here we have spinach. It is a little bit bitter, but it shouldn't be a problem since we have the apple cider vinegar. Our arugula, on the other hand, is quite complex. It has a nutty profile, almost a horseradish profile, so it's a bit spicy. And we're just gonna add both of these to our bowl. So next we're gonna start with our solids. So I have here vegan cheese, just because someone on our staff is vegan. Now you could use any cheese you want. I prefer cheddar cheese, and that's the profile of this vegan cheese here. Then we have our craisins. You can use any dried fruit that fits your taste profile. We have sunflower seeds. Even though they do have a little salt on them, they are high in healthy fats and protein. And then next we have our garlic puree. Now when you're making this recipe, you'll most likely have garlic cloves. So you would essentially just add your 2 garlic cloves. Right. And I'm gonna wait to add our salt and pepper. Of course, when you're cooking at home, you do not have to wear gloves, but because I am serving this to people, I'll be wearing gloves. And now that we have it all mixed together, we can add our salt and pepper. Another mix. And the fun part, we add our oil and our vinegar. And it doesn't matter which order you add these in. And then we mix again until you feel it's all evenly coated. Now, if you're using vegan cheese, it does break down easier than your cheese made with milk. So the only tip I would add is to add that at the very end, right when you're about to eat it. But otherwise, you are all set to go. Now let's see how it tastes. Okay. It's really good. Now from all of us here at MTSO and Seminary Hill Farm, enjoy.